What's happening today?
So we are helping this gentleman to have a better flat floor for his car.
Ah, so it is quite flat.
Yes.
But it's
We're
not
making it even flatter.
even flatter.
And work better.
Nice, interesting. So what's the plan? Scanning the whole
So
floor?
the plan is to do a front splitter. He wants to have it made in aluminum. So we're going to tailor the design to have it made with his available techniques and the manufacturing. So it's going to be bent aluminum. And he has a problem with the center part. He had it closed, but it was overheating. So when you have it completely flat, it creates a stagnation area, so you don't have flow going through. So what I'm thinking is creating a small intake, like a couple centimeters here, like 20 mil. So it's gonna introduce air and extract from the back where the low pressure is.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, exciting. So traditionally wise, first step is to scan to see how it looks like, do some modeling, and go from there, right?
Yep.
All right, well, I'll let you do the most exciting part, which is applying the scanning dots. Very cool. Actually, we got sent some new special dots by ASAP. So if you want to do stuff ASAP, you can have ASAP. This is the scanning spray that we use if we want to scan like transparent surfaces like windows, like glass, because it actually evaporates after I think 1.5 hours or so. But yeah, actually a lot of things have been going on. We've been doing, oh, we have visitors.
Hello!
Hello. No, we don't want to buy your book.
What kind of book am I selling? I don't sell books, man.
No? Oh.
This is supposed to be Jason Statham look.
Well, you're definitely a driver, that's for sure. So Aziz here is on a visit. We had some fun, I think. Did we have fun?
It was incredible.
With pants on,
yeah?
Important to say. Yeah, no, we did some laps in Hyundai i30N of track speed. You will find out more about this company in a separate video because they're brand new. How you liked it?
Hey man, I did my first lap, my first ever lap with Misha, right?
Yes.
So it is an incredible honor, first of all, and it's an incredible experience to be coached by Misha, right? And he said I drive good.
Yes, and I also said I don't do coaching. So, but
he doesn't do coaching. It's because what did you say?
I said, yeah, I like your suit. I need one for my wedding.
Exactly. He likes suits and stuff like that, and also because I'm a VIP, right?
Yes, exactly. Because you're almost hitting 400K today, maybe on Instagram.
Yeah, we're hitting 400K today, and we're here. Come on, man. We're doing a special about it.
Yeah, exactly.
And, it was crazy, man. But you know what I noticed? Between a good driver or a fast driver and an incredible fast driver, it's the turning. It's incredible how Misha throws the car into the corner. It's literally like we were
dancing.
Like we were like like a dance, really, like a valsa. Like the corner is approaching and we're already in it. So that was very interesting to experience, man.
In it to win it.
Yeah.
Kind of. Labo is thinking, okay, please get out of the workshop.
Whose car is this?
Friend slash client.
Not the E46, man. Is it a 330?
Yes, it is.
I had one of these with SMG.
With SMG?
Yeah,
a 330 with SMG, that exists?
Yeah. What is going on here? I don't know if I'm mad as hell or if I like it somehow.
Yeah, I know. It's this kind of weird fetish, right?
Somehow no, but somehow, you know, why not, right?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, absolutely.
No, but I had one of these. I really had one of these with 220,000 kilometers.
Nice.
And it was like really, it was so nice to drive. And I had a spoiler. It was like the Club Sport edition.
Look how like racy it is. It has cats right in the back. Or maybe are those silencers? I don't know. No, it looks like, yeah, it's silencers. So too bad no glowing stuff. You can insert Pedro meme in here. Like. We've been having lots of fun. The track is closed currently. That's why I decided, I give you an update. By the way, in case you don't know, Aziz drives content. Check out him on Instagram because basically boosted borders without a hat. Does not care about expressing his opinion because he has no friends to offend.
Yeah, I'm a very lonely guy and nobody likes me.
Except for 400,000 people on Instagram. So, no, very, very cool. Love it. And actually, Maggie, my wife, said that she really wanted to meet you. So that says a lot because usually she's like, I want to stay on the couch and cuddle with the dogs. What I would usually also prefer doing. But for you, made an exception.
Happy to hear that, man. I'm really happy to hear that. It was lovely meeting you both, man. It was really a beautiful time. I'm sad I have to leave soon.
But we're gonna still do a lap, right?
Yeah, I mean,
I think maybe we
if
can
we get a car somehow, somewhat, we can do one.
I mean,
but
we
have to do like we have to do the special 400,000 reel.
Oh my god, is that Diana Floor?
Yes. I'm gonna go on the track with the motorcycle.
Yay, Anlassen. Today is the official, unofficial season opener. So are you gonna get blessed?
I'm gonna skip that part.
Yeah? Why?
I don't know, maybe I'll go because it's like I've seen probably like 30,000 bikes in the
Yes.
area already. It's crazy.
Yeah, it is. So it's Anlassen. Every year there's like a meeting of all kinds of bikes, non-stop, just like everyone comes here. They go to the GP track, a priest is blessing them for having a good year, accident-free year, and then they go out for a lap. So therefore today the track is closed, and I don't have my watch because it's on the charger. Closed at 3:30, and then yeah, the biker's gonna do a lap and maybe some wheelies. At least I've seen them do that in the past. But yeah, we have here Lucid Air in the Dream Edition. So maybe we'll do some content for your channel.
That would be sick.
That'll be sick.
It's the Pollen edition somehow.
Yeah, it's...
Looks like the Pollen edition.
Yeah, because we had a second winter here, so it was like -2 and stuff, and now it's all of a sudden almost 20 degrees again, which will be, well, in 2 days actually. So the trees are like, what the hell? And all the animals as well. It's my second channel, so I can talk nonsense, but yesterday night when we were driving from the gym, there were lots of deer on the street walking because they're like, oh, it's winter, there are no cars. No, there are cars, deers. Can you please chill and go back?
Why you put me on the second channel, man? I thought I'm going on the first one.
You are. Maybe if we're gonna go for a lap with this.
But
yeah.
You definitely should check out Vulcan Alpha, man.
Ah, thank you.
Really, you should check it out because it's incredible.
Well, let's check out your car, actually.
Yeah, well, this is basically from... They are somehow my cousins now.
Oh, are they?
GT3 spoiler on this M3. I already told them to remove this, so shut the hell up, man.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to be removed. It was just here before, and now
A ducktail.
I know.
Yeah.
But it looks cool, right? This is one of my absolute favorites. It has the V8 engine, and I have the V10, right?
Nice.
The M6 V10, because we're driving on the Autobahn. And no, we're not going with this.
Sad. Big sad. You can download him on his Instagram.
Yeah, but...
So if he reaches 400 unsubs, so he's gonna be
hey, man,
$3.99 again.
I don't know if you have driven with Misha, but you know, this is my baby.
That's good.
And he's like, he has to just go out full throttle, right?
I can take it easy.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah, 100%. We can baby it.
Okay.
Okay. Stay tuned to find out more. Are there any mods to it, or is it just like daily?
The problem is, you know, the tuning potential is really low on those cars because it's a high revving engine. So what I would have to do is basically put in a downpipe and so on, better exhaust system, tweak it a little bit, take out the air sensors, and then I would do 550 horsepower. But since it's registered in Switzerland, I live there, the police is going to destroy me. Like, take my car away, literally. Let's
not do that. Well, I guess that's kind of it. I don't know what else to say, to show. Maybe we could show you what is... Yeah, we can see E36. Of course, we need to show Gio's E36, the most spectacular car of them all out here, with yellow brake calipers that matches the pollen
Hey. It says motorsport here.
Oh, wow. Motorsport.
Yeah.
Oh, it says like the Hellenistic sun burnt out the sticker.
So, what is that? Like 318?
This? I think, yeah, it is. Or is it 320? I don't even remember.
It has one exhaust pipe.
Yes. We should change something. This is gonna be our R&D car, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely. Because the E36s are definitely loved here, so we're gonna put some active aero in it, and
I mean,
with 100
with DRS.
Yeah, with 10010 horsepower.
DRS would be insane. Well, then you can flat out, like every corner just flat out.
Yeah, DRS is like not drag but downforce reduction.
Yeah.
With this car. I guess that's kind of it, a quick update. I wanted to insert some updates of what have been happening actually over the last couple of days with some other cars that we've been doing. GT3 RS, Turbo S, all of that stuff is in development, and in the future, actually nearby future, we're gonna unveil already soon to you our wings. And they're going to be sick. Pre-orders start now. Yeah, if you made it till the end of this video, you're an OG. Anything to say?
Thank you very much for watching. God bless you and goodbye.
Fantastic. I couldn't have done it better myself.